Welcome to your new easier life if you're on my channel. This is a pocket container I made out of an old flashlight, and whenever I have a flashlight go bad I save the parts for future use. This was an old aluminum flashlight. It has two screw housings on each side. End cap button's been removed and the light housing's been removed. They already were before I started this project. So I left a hole on each end. This is an aluminum enclosure. It closes up tight. It's just threaded. So what I did was I capped each end, and these are both knobs. They both had a center shaft. So that end I replaced with this knob, epoxied in and lined up. This end I replaced with an old knob, epoxied in. And let me show you that. So I used a 2-part epoxy to set it, and then I used a waterproof epoxy to seal it. And both ends are like that, like so. Give you a demo here. You can see in there. And that left me with a really cool pocket container that I can carry fishing, tackle in, matches for camping, whatever. Kind of a neat project. Make something out of nothing, which is what this channel is all about. Hope you enjoyed my video. Have a nice day.